guys, today we're going to do a far flying airplane. Let's start making. First, let's fold it in the line. Then the other side. And then we turn like this. So then, like this. Next, we do that in the other side. Make sure it's supposed to come in the line. Okay, next. And that is step 2. Next, let's do is fold it like this. Press it in. There we go. Next, like that. Now it should be like this. And the inside should be like this. You press it in. That. Next, we take it and then we fold it like this. And make sure there's no mistake or it'll never fly. Okay, like that. Now it should be like this. Next, we do that and the same thing on the other side. But one more thing. Make sure the wing's supposed to be same. Okay. There it is. Let's open it. There we go. Our new Fly4R airplane. If you want to see the previous video, make sure to go to my channel. See you later.